Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. You guys, the ex-manager of Bacardi dancer Ojeli Baby Tadosit Adi of STF project revealed that they have parted ways because of the youngster's greed. He said, and I quote, Jelly is greedy when it comes to booking. It was nice working with her, but she is hard-headed when it comes to negotiating with promoters for bookings. She charges 20 something or sometimes 25,000 rands, but sometimes you negotiate and build relationship, and she does not Tato allegedly disclosed to a friend. Now, recently, one of her former backup dancer, Obabalo RSA, went to Facebook and to expose Jelly Baby, you guys, and he penned down this long message saying, "Greetings, everyone. I have breaking news about Jelly Baby. Apparently, she seems like a good person, but she's not at all. I was one of her dancers on her one-woman show. We were selected from the Vibe with Mphoba Dimu crew, and we were happy to be chosen by Jelly Baby, a superstar, and grateful for the opportunity she gave us. However, I don't like a Jelly's attitude toward us. She's very disrespectful and undermining, taking people for granted and not caring how we feel about her treatment. A day before the event on May 17th, she told us to go to the salon and prepare ourselves, saying we must look nice and clean. She promised to pay for our hairstyles on the day of the event, but unfortunately, we're still waiting for the payment. When we try to talk to her, she ignores us, just like she has since Sunday, May 19th. She didn't even pay us for the gig or provide. Honestly, Jelly, your behavior won't take you far. You're applying for your own downfall, as no one will tolerate your behavior and pride. You forget the same people you're treating like slaves are the one who make you afford your luxury brands like LV. Without fans, you're nothing. You've messed up a big time, and with the wrong person. What I'll do next isn't a replacement, but I'll teach you the following: respect, love, care, humbleness, communication, appreciation, learning, and collaboration. Watch the space. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comments section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, because I will definitely be seeing you on my next video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one. Bye.